welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making delicious blueberry halwa. Blueberry halwa is a fantastic dish you can have for breakfast or dessert. It doesn't matter, you can choose. What are we making? Blueberry halwa. So of course we'll need two main ingredients. We'll need the blueberry puree. I just added 1 cup blueberries, some water, and some sugar, and that's it. It's so simple. And of course we'll need 1 cup of semolina or suji. I'm gonna be adding some nuts and raisins to give the blueberry halwa a little nutty taste. And then I'm gonna add some garnishing ingredients. I'm gonna use the same ingredients as I did to give the nutty taste, but add some blueberries. For the syrup, you'll need 3 cup water, 1 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, and 4 to 5 cardamom. Let's get started, but we still need the ghee or clarified butter to roast the semolina or suji, but you can use any oil that you like. There are 5 easy steps to this recipe. Step 1. Make the sugar syrup. In order to make the sugar syrup, you need to add the water, the sugar, and the cardamoms and cardamom powder. And keep stirring till the sugar is totally dissolved. Step 2, dry roast the semolina. We're dry roasting the semolina so we can get rid of the moisture of the semolina. Put the heat on low heat and keep stirring so the semolina doesn't get burnt. Dry roast the semolina for about 2 to 3 minutes and make sure it doesn't get burnt. Step 3. Ghee roast the semolina and nuts. Add 5 tablespoons of ghee. When the ghee is hot, add the nuts and raisins and stir for 10 to 15 seconds. And then add the semolina. Add the semolina and constantly stir until the semolina is slightly brown. Keep stirring and keep roasting till you get the aroma. I kept stirring for 4 to 5 minutes and I kept it on low heat, and now you can see the semolina that is a slight brown, and it's ready for the next step. Step 4, add the cardamom flavored syrup. Now let's add the blueberry puree. Mix it well. Wow, can't you see some magic happen? All the syrup is gone. The semolina absorbed all the syrup. Keep stirring till all the syrup is gone. Step 5, garnish it. I'm using some blueberries and fresh cut nuts and some raisins. Wow, doesn't it look so good? I'm hungry already. So let's give it a taste test. Wow, look at the color and look at the texture. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the notification bell. Bye!